Well, hello and welcome back, and thank you for coming back. Today we are in downtown Kato Paphos, not far from Bar Street. And the idea is to show you the less salubrious side of Paphos. But hold on a minute, I think that I brought a friend. I just don't know where she is. Let's have a quick look and see what we can find. Hold on a minute, I found her, I can hear her. Miss Ochin Gracilia LaBouffe! What are you doing?
Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. What I'm doing? I'm dancing.
Come on, LaBouffe. We've got places to go and places to see. Come on. Right, like I was saying, we're in downtown Kato Paphos and we're showing you the, less salubrious side.
Oh dear, I think I woke up all the people.
Let me show you.
Hello, people. Hello.
Not quite what you expect to find when you come on your holidays to Paphos. This is, you could say it was the Bronx. And I'm not trying to insult the Bronx. But it's not salubrious, is it?
Well, yes, especially next to it.
Ooh,
over there.
Hold on a minute. Exactly.
It's a hotel apartments.
Look at that.
Right? Where the people stay.
Yes.
It's not a beach side, but I mean a beach splash side.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, Mr. Paul.
So, just so you understand, I'll try and get it on camera. You've got, without trying to insult anyone, a bit of a dump.
Yeah.
And right next door, luxury tourist accommodation. Now hold on a minute. This here actually says it's holiday apartments as well.
Yeah. Well, it used to be, I believe, and now it's been rented. Some people, they just work somewhere around Kato Paphos.
Now hold on a minute. What's this we found here? Is this some kind of nightclub?
I think this is a club.
It is, isn't it? So let's have a look. Let's see what we can find.
Yeah, it's a should be the loft.
Ah, it's the famous Loft Club.
Yeah.
So if you're looking to party all night, the best place to stay is there. Let's have a look. And it is. She's right. It is the Loft Club. It is. There it is.
I never come here at night. At least at daytime, I can visit this place in the mouth of that.
Yes, of the clown.
Oh,
Yes.
I like.
Right, come on,
Come on.
Oh. Almost killed myself. Look at that. There's a bolt in the ground. Anyway,
Mr. Paul, have I told hello?
no.
Hello, everybody.
Right, come on, LaBouffe. We've got places to go and places to see. Let's have a little walk round the back.
Yeah.
Because this is a very strange looking building. I've got a feeling there might be an open air dancing area
And
to
I've
the
got
back.
a feeling that it's going to be rain. Because
Could
we are
do.
not made of
Yes,
sugar.
us. It could rain, but if you're coming from England, that doesn't bother you.
No,
So we're not made of sugar.
no, we're not going to melt.
No. So, hold on a minute. I think there's something round the back of here because there's lots of lights and there's lots of glass and there's another carpeted area. Aha. So this is another entrance to the Loft nightclub. Oh, there we go, LaBouffe.
Belly dance, in my way.
This channel is all about three things. Your views, those views,
And my, oh,
exactly the same. There's a bolt in the ground.
you could think
It's
that
designed
these
to kill you.
people would think to avoid such a mistakes, you know, because they're gonna be charged for it.
They are. Right, I've got a feeling there's something around here, so let's have a quick look. And I'm right. This is an open air dancing area. Now, unfortunately, it's locked, but I'll show you with the camera as best as I can. Look at that. So, that's where you get your open air dancing and drinking. Hold on, what's the booth doing? What are you doing, LaBouffe?
I'm trying to see.
Come on, LaBouffe. We've got places to go and places to see. Right, let's go down this little street here. Again, not a very salubrious part of the
€2 for the parking.
Parking €2. Doesn't affect most. Whoa! Oh!
What?
It's starting to rain.
Really?
It's starting to rain, just to make you feel exactly at home. Now, let's wander down here, because this is to the... I'm losing my English. This is to the rear of the Vibes Club. Another club is open. And again, as we said in the previous video, if you're looking for a job in Paphos, to be honest, most of the younger people that come to Paphos, this is where they would look to work. Hold on a minute, what's she doing now? Where's my little monkey gone?
Somebody's gonna arrest me. It's raining.
It is raining. Right, come on, LaBouffe.
Come on.
It's time to go. Let's get down this path. And I think it brings us out by the former Lineker bar. We did that in another video. We show you, well, it's not Lineker's bar anymore. And in fact, it's no one's bar anymore. It's a smashed up, derelict building. But that's what happens when tourists go down from 4 million to 500,000 and COVID-19 makes you wear a face mask and you can't go out and blah, blah, blah. Anyway, right, go on, Christina LaBouffe.
Well, now talking about the rain, by the way, I'm laughing. I laugh deep in my side, you know, because we're supposed to have a forecast of rain, very heavy rain, just for you to understand, 2 days ago. And we didn't. And today, where we didn't have a forecast for rain at all, we have a rain. Huh?
We have a rain.
How do you like the forecasting in here?
Well,
should we go and
it's
work
the way
in
it is.
forecasting?
We should.
Oh, okay.
I wonder how much they pay us. Now, what does that say, LaBouffe? LaBouffe, where are you going? What does that say? Leoforos.
Yeah,
It means
bus.
what?
Leoforo. It means like a bus station.
Looks like a bar. Hold on a second. Let's have a look. That's a bar. That's not a bus station. So they must be calling it the bus station bar. Not open at the moment.
No. Unfortunately, this one is closed. Oh,
I think it is open because if you look in, you will see on a table that it's got a hand sterilising bottle. So therefore, it is open when the season starts or on the weekends because it's quite nice. I can imagine sitting here, Miss LaBouffe, with a can of Coke. Right, come on, LaBouffe. What about if we come on, quick. What about if we go to the plage?
Yes, of course.
Yes. So, come with us, and we're going to pop down to the plage. So, if again you've enjoyed dancing, you've enjoyed karaoke, you've enjoyed drinking, you've enjoyed eating, and then you fancy going to the
Mr. Paul.
no, and then you fancy going to the plage, you just go down here. Come on, LaBouffe, let's go.
Yeah.
We've got places to go and play. Oh no.
Oh no. Is it? No way.
No.
We can go through there.
I've seen something very scary.
What?
Marius Diamonds.
What?
Hopefully it's closed.
What you think?
You'll understand in a minute, Miss Ochingrasivi LaBouffe. So, let's see if we can work our way through this area. Let's have a look. Ooh, what have we found?
What?
Well, I remember that there used to be a bar on this land here, because I remember it from the swimming pool. But now it's, well,
Mr. Paul, we
It's
just
gone.
go there
it's gone.
and jump.
Oh, Miss LaBouffe wants to climb.
Mr. Paul. Bye-bye, my...
That was one of my views. Well, anyway, this channel is about three things. An old man with a camera showing you your views to get some more of your views so that I can have some more of my views. Hold on, stay with me. Whoa, I'm getting old. Right, now we are back down to the main Poseidon Avenue. I think that's how you pronounce it. Is that correct?
What?
This main road here, Poseidon Avenue?
Poseidon.
Hey, how?
Poseidon.
Yeah, well, the main road down to the harbour from all the hotels. And he is the, excuse me, I'm dying. And he is that worrying thing that I saw.
Don't worry, I'll grave you. Don't worry, I'll grave you.
Whoa. Hallelujah.
Ah,
It's closed. Come on, LaBouffe. Come on. Places to go, places to see. Come on, LaBouffe.
have you agreed to pay these people for not to be open?
I'm paying this man who owns this shop 10,000 euros a week to stay closed.
Yeah, but to buy a ring, it's cheaper.
But I understand if I take my Greece, I'm losing my English, my Russian even, I'm losing my Russian now. If I take Miss Gracevia LaBouffe
Yes.
into that shop,
Yes,
I'll be more than bald.
and bonkers.
Definitely. So, let's get down to the plage and see the spectacular views. Are you ready? Ooh. A man trying to work his clutch.
It's a Schumacher.
Is he?
Yeah,
Is he?
yeah.
A Schumacher in a Toyota Starlet from 1996? I think not. Right, come on, let's get down here.
Come on.
Wait for the view. Oh, look at that. Oh, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So, we'll walk you down to the plage, and then, as they say in American English, we'll call it a wrap. What do you say, LaBouffe?
Yes, we'll call it a wrap. Wrap.
A rat? Rat? Wrap.
Wrap.
You're going to get confused with rapping and raping?
Yes.
Yes?
Always I get confused.
Yes, excellent.
Confused.
Right, the winds are picking up. We're going back to the weather of last week by the looks of it. Hopefully by the time Mr. and Mrs. Ford arrive, the sun will be beaming. Hold on a minute. I've lost my monkey.
Who is after me? I'm so happy that I've got a new pair of glasses that I lose orientation.
Now, as Miss Marika is saying, or Miss Ochin Gracevia LaBouffe, she's had a new pair of glasses. So if you want to see those glasses, don't forget to click the like, hit the subscribe, and come back for the next video. And then you can drop in the comments your opinion of whether you like them, whether it suits her, or whether I wasted my money. But hey, it's only money. Look at the views.
Oh dear.
Look at that.
It's a great rain starting.
It is. It is.
I love rains.
The things that we will do for our subscribers.
Yeah.
We're about to get wet, and I don't mean our feet. But I'm going to get you to the edge, show you the view, and, well, that's it.
Say
We'll call it a day.
bye-bye.
We'll say bye-bye. So,
Have I told people hello everybody?
no.
Hello everybody. It's nice.
Yes, it was very good. The more he does it, the better it gets.
Yeah.
Yes?
Thousands of times more.
Thousands of times. We haven't done that many videos, not yet. Anyway,
Hello,
here comes the plage.
everybody.
Ooh, there's a nice little ship out there as well.
Yes,
So,
yes, yes.
wait for it. We'll just walk onto there. We'll pan out, and the view, to be honest, is quite spectacular. Beautiful. Look at that. Ooh, nice iced coffee. Look at that. A couple of iced coffees. Ooh,
Not when you're freezing.
hey,
I'm going to
I
go
think-
and stand under cover, by the way.
Hey? Ah, I see. Right, wait for the view. Here it comes. That's one of my views. Right, let me show you the view and then we're done.
Ahoy! Mihais! Hello, everybody. We wish you all the best. Take care. We love you. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching. Hit the like, click subscribe and come back for some more of this madness.